Hey, welcome. Today I'm giving you the real rundown on the AOC 27 gaming monitor, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. This monitor is a game changer for anyone serious about gaming or just looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. The biggest thing that caught my attention was its insane QD-OLED technology, which delivers true blacks and infinite contrast with ultra-vivid colors. That means you'll be immersed in stunning visuals like never before. It's a total eye-opener. But what really sets this monitor apart is its 240Hz refresh rate and 0.3 milliseconds response time. This combo ensures incredibly smooth motion and minimal input lag, giving you the competitive edge in fast-paced games. No more frustrating screen tearing or ghosting, just razor-sharp visuals that follow your every move. And let's talk about connectivity. With HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, this monitor supports high-performance gaming on PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X. Whether you're connecting a console or your rig, you'll get the best possible signal with crystal clear sound and picture quality. In daily use, I can honestly say that this monitor has become my go-to for gaming sessions and movie nights. It's incredibly easy to set up and adjust. The ergonomic stand allows me to find the perfect viewing angle, and the USB hub is super convenient for connecting my keyboard and mouse. Plus, with features like flicker-free technology, I can binge-watch without worrying about eye strain. If you're a serious gamer or just someone who loves to unwind with a good movie, this monitor is an absolute must-have. It's perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their setup and experience gaming in a whole new way. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to check out the AOC 27 gaming monitor and take your entertainment game to the next level.